Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Let me put y'all on a tripod. I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me getting my hair done for tomorrow. This black hair, it gotta go. Like, I wanna go back to me being blonde. Cause this black, no, I've had black hair for the longest. Like, I think the last time I had blonde hair was on my birthday, and that was all the way in April. So this wig gotta go. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. Make sure you check out my other coming me to get my hair done video. I'll link it above so you guys can check that out as well. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take my hair down and take my braids out and wash it and get ready for it to be braided for tomorrow. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm very excited. This hair is very, very greasy. Like, I don't even bother to like wash this hair because I don't care. Okay, so I just finished taking out my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it real quick. So I pretty much don't blow dry my hair anymore. After I get out of the shower, I will just put some moisture back in my hair, detangle it a little bit more and twist it up, and then that's how I'll go to sleep. So that's what I'm about to do right now. My forehead looks humongous, y'all. So this is basically how my twist turned out. I'm just gonna put a bonnet on. My hair is still kind of damp, but it should be dry by tomorrow. Good morning, good afternoon. It's the next day. It's not morning. It's actually afternoon. So I took a nap because I was up early this morning, but now my appointment's at 6. Thank God it's at 6 because I had time to like do what I had to do in the morning and then had some time to take a nap. I took like a 20-minute nap. Like, I had time to do all that and just chill before I had to go to this appointment. So yeah, that's what I'm about to go do now. Let me show you a quick OOTD. My hair is a mess, so don't mind that. But I am wearing a black bodysuit turtleneck that I got from Bershka. Having a crop top, a crop sweater, hoodie, whatever that I got from Pretty Little Things. Sweatpants that I got from Pretty Little Things. Jacket I got from Zara. Bag I got from Bershka. And then I'm wearing white Air Force Ones. And that's my fit. Let's head out.
attention.